Hello again, everybody. Is this quadrilateral a parallelogram? Let's do some problems and see how we find out, okay? Prove a quadrilateral is a parallelogram. So if this quadrilateral, why do you call it quad? Because it has 4 sides, right? Quad means 4. All right. You know that if it's a parallelogram, that means opposite sides are parallel and congruent, okay? If it's a parallel, that means that this is a transversal and they are supplementary, they add up to be 180. And also, diagonal angles are also congruent, okay? So this is 69, diagonal 69, so it is exact same thing. Diagonals, angles are congruent, so has to be correct, okay? Exact same thing in here. So let's jump a level and see how we do this. Okay, can you show that this quadrilateral is a parallelogram? How do you find out? Remember, if it is, that means these are parallel and this is a transversal. That means these two angles is supposed to be supplementary, add up to be 180. So when you add these, do they add up to be 180? That means the answer has to be, okay, good job. Let's jump to another level. All right, can you show that this quadrilateral is a parallelogram? Okay, so they are equal. You know that tally tells you they are equal. But are they parallel? Do we have enough information? So they have to fulfill these two conditions. They have to be parallel. They have to be also congruent, okay? So the answer has to be, good job. Let's go to the next level and in here exact same thing, right? Let's jump to the next level when we need to set an equation, okay? Find the value of x that makes a quadrilateral HIJK a parallelogram, okay? If this is a parallelogram, that means these two angles are congruent and these two angles are congruent. In that case, we need to set an equation indeed, all right? Okay, so let's set an equation. So that means x plus 26 should equal what? 2x, good job, all right? Again, it is like solving one-step equation, all right? So you need to get rid of positive x by subtracting, because positive x, negative x, you will cancel each other's out. You do to one side of the equation, you do to the other, so minus x, okay? And let's draw a line, okay? And from this side, you have 26 equals 2x minus 1, you get just 1x. So x equals 26, 26 equals x, exact same thing, okay? So the answer has to be 26, good job, okay? So let's clear all drawing. So the answer has to be 26, good job, all right? Exact same thing, set an equation and solve. Let's see if we can go to the another one. Okay, find the value of z that makes a quadrilateral QRST a parallelogram, okay? So there are two ways to do this. If it is a parallelogram, that means the opposite sides are parallel, right? That means this is a transversal, that means they add up to be 180 because they are supplementary, or these diagonals are congruent, okay? Whatever is easier for you. So definitely what's easier is to get the two angles congruent. So let's set an equation and 2z minus 72 equals z, all right? Either you subtract 2z from both sides or you subtract z from both sides, whatever strategy is okay. You will get the exact same answer, okay? So minus z minus z, and okay, so 2z minus 1, you just get a z minus 72 equals z minus z is 0. So you undo subtraction, you add 72 to both sides of the equation, all right? So you get z equals 72, okay? Good job, all right? So the answer has to be 72. All right, good job. Please ask if you have any question and talk to you later, okay? Bye.